Welcome to a new video on finance for beginners. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading videos of free stuffs, free AI tool, free online tools and many other topics. Today in this video, I am going to show you 3 best VPN for your laptop or PC. Now let's start this list with number 3. In number 3, we have Winescribe. If you search Winescribe VPN for PC on Google, you will find this VPN for Windows, winescribe.com. Open this, then click on this Get Winescribe. You will get two options. You can download it as Windows app or you can use it on Chrome extension. And similarly, this VPN is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux too. If you use Chrome extension, then it will work inside Chrome only, but if you use Windows or any other operating system or DirectX app, then you will get access of VPN all over your internet. Now click on this Windows app. Now you can choose your VPN download. By following this process, you can simply get Winescribe VPN on your PC. Now let's jump to our number 2. In number 2, we have TunnelBear. Search TunnelBear on Google and you will find this result, TunnelBear Secure VPN Service. Open this website. In the home page, you will see this Tunnel or a Bear as a logo of this VPN and you will get option to get TunnelBear. Now click on this. You will offer some of paid packages also by this VPN, but you can use this free VPN too. You will get 2 GB of secure browsing with this free VPN. If you want unlimited, then wait for our top list. Click on this try for free to download this TunnelBear. You can see here TunnelBear is started to download on my device. Now let's jump to number 1 from this list. In number 1, we have ProtonVPN. ProtonVPN is the fast VPN secure in 90 plus country, as you are not going to get all these country server on VPN, but you will get unlimited of VPN for your PC. Now click on this ProtonVPN. Click on this Get ProtonVPN now. You will be offered some paid plan, but if you scroll this, then you can see here Get Proton free. Click on this. Click on this continue with free. You have to create a simply free account on this website and you can download and log in this with your account. You will get 245 servers in 6 countries on this free package. There will be no ad on your browser, and also the best part is you will get unlimited volume or bandwidth. There is no any limitation on using this ProtonVPN. Now let's list out our VPN list. In number 1, we have ProtonVPN. In number 2, we have TunnelBear. In number 3, we have Winescribe. I hope you love this video and find it helpful to reach out to your free VPN for PC or laptop. Also, you can use this ProtonVPN on your mobile device too. If you love this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also press the subscribe button for finance for beginners and hit the bell icon for the latest uploads. You can check other videos too from my YouTube channel of RDP, hosting, domain and etc. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.